Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that if you are a new viewer that you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below right there and the notifications bell. I've been trying to get my videos to at least 35 likes, so if you guys would please do the honor and give me a like, it will help the channel get suggested to other people. Now today's video we are doing our transaction logs, just like every other Wednesday that I've normally done on Wednesday is our transaction log. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the page, or spending tracker as this kit says. I'm sorry if the cars sound more louder than normal, but I have the windows up because it's a bit stuffy in here and I sprayed some fly stuff, so yeah. Okay, well either way we're gonna go ahead and get right on into it. Let me zoom you guys right on in. We don't have much room left for anything, but if anything we will just add sheets like I did here. So okay, so for 5, and I do have two different accounts, my normal account and my checking account, and a bills that I pay account. This I have a buffer in, and sometimes I use that. It's a whole mess, but I need to get away from it. Okay, so we are going to start here, 5/16. Now this is the time that they cleared. This does not mean that this is when I actually purchased them. Okay, this was food. This was at work food, so I'm gonna put food. And I did buy food for a few people. Debit. I need to go back and change this because quite a few actually.
Just going to squeeze the I right in here, just like that, because I was writing deb as opposed to debit.
Okay, so that is debit. And I did buy work for a few people at work. Wait, I did buy food for a few people at work. So sorry about that. So that was $17.98. On the 17th, I actually, let me put this other one in because I wasn't gonna include it, and I'll tell you why. I wasn't gonna include it because I actually took money from our savings to pay for this. We bought a weed eater, and I guess that'll be miscellaneous. This was it was a credit. I bought it on my Capital One card, but I immediately paid it off with my debit card. So I'm just gonna put I guess I'll put credit debit. Okay, and that was for $273.22. Now we have a little over than an acre land, and I recently bought a lawnmower, but we can't get into the ditch and stuff. I do live in the country, so there's ditches all around that border my house, and I just couldn't get in there. As much as we tried, I even took prune shears to kind of snip them down, but it just kept getting thicker and thicker, so we just decided to bite the bullet and buy a weed eater instead of having to pay somebody to come out and do it. Next we have my daughter did ask to buy something off the Nintendo Switch. I think it had something to do with what is that game? Fortnite. If you hear the chirping, it's probably our chickens. A friend of ours gifted us 3 chickens, so they're wandering around the house now. And this is, I'm gonna just put kid because that was for her, and that was a debit, and that one was for $4.62. Okay, so we have me and my husband did go on a date night, which I did mention that in my plan with me. We went to a place called La Cuenta. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm not really sure. But I'm gonna put date night. It wasn't, and I know that's not spelled right, but it wasn't actually at night because we work at night. But it was still a date night for us, and that was $33.36. And then we actually ended up going to ribeye a few days later. Just talking. I wanted to get out of the house We've been, you know, not really buying many things and not spending that much money. So I'm gonna put a lunch dinner. Not a lunch dinner, but lunch. Lunch with hubby. And that also was a debit. And that one was this one was more, $52.74, but we had so much food left over, my kid and my mom was able to eat off of it. And then at Walmart, I'm gonna write this down, even though I don't want to, but I kind of do want to. I don't know. I bought some supplies for work and I should be reimbursed that money. So let me know in the comments below if I should write it down or not. But that same day I did go grocery shopping, which was Monday, I should say. And we went, I should have put Walmart. We went, way overboard. I was so disappointed. By $159. Yes, people, I spent $279 that day. Very, very disappointed. I hate that. I hate spending money on food. I absolutely hate it. But I mean, I guess it is what it is. You know, we have to eat, and I'd rather do that than spend money on food, which kind of is what we end up doing anyways. Okay. Anyways, so let's add this up here because that's it, guys. That's all I have. That's a lot, but that is all that I have. Now, I'm not going to include the weed eater because that did come out of our savings. So I don't know if I should put like a little indentation here. Let's see. I'll put savings here. Okay, well, I'm obviously not gonna write it with that. Excuse me, with that pen. And let me know, should I write down the $37.22 that I plan on getting reimbursed for, and I'm gonna actually take all of that right to the bank. I might keep the change, but I'm gonna take everything else right to the bank. So that is 33, 36, 52.74, and 159.02. So we're looking at 267.72, and we would have did really good had we not had gone over so much on the food. Yeah. Okay, well, this is a very short, sweet video. Let me zoom you guys out. Yeah, so that's what we have so far. We're at 267.72. Yeah, it is what it is. Either way, thank you guys so much. I hope your budget is going superb and well. And like I said, thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, guys. Bye.